EPAWA meteorologist Bobby Martins here with your outlook for August 6, 2020. For your Thursday, we're going to have a frontal boundary that is off to our south that start to creep northward very, very slowly. So it's going to drift over to and bring a shower threat to mainly our southern areas today, south of I-78. Not impossible to get a shower further north than that, but especially this morning with a little weak shortwave moving along that boundary. But once that shortwave moves through, it's going to pull this boundary up a little bit further to the north, and this is going to kind of meander here for the next couple of days. And we do think it's going to push forward as a warm front either very late tonight or early Friday. And then on Friday, we are going to introduce a scattered thunderstorm risk as well as the scattered showers. So I think it's hard to say exactly how much coverage we're going to get from this as far as rain's concerned. I think it favors the southern areas today. Overnight tonight, that warm front moves through and is pretty much everywhere. You have some scattered showers, but still not a deluge of rain, really. And then you have a scattered shower and thunderstorm threat here on Friday, but the models are not agreeing with the extent of precipitation on either day. So here's the European model for today. Pretty much everything staying off to the south, as you can see, are going right through the end of the day here, but our southern areas will have the opportunity for some scattered showers and perhaps a thunderstorm. And here is a look at the NAM for this morning. This is looking at 9 a.m. You got some showers and perhaps thunderstorms rolling across the southern Delaware and southern New Jersey, and maybe getting into southeast PA here. Again, maybe an arbitrary shower a little bit further north with this as well. But then the rest of the day, it kind of just has everything south of the region with the front that's going to move through overnight with scattered showers and thunderstorms. So this is actually going into early Friday morning, and that pushes off the north, and you could have a few scattered thunderstorms here on Friday as well. So you see it's very few and far in between for the most part, except for that when that front moves further northward here late tonight or early Friday. HRR is doing the same thing here with this morning. It has a few showers around there. Not a real big deal, but then it has some increased activity in the afternoon, which was not shown on the NAM. The majority of this, though, is still, again, south of I-78. Again, you can have an arbitrary shower further north of 78, but I think the majority of your action is pretty much down here until we get to the overnight, which the HRR does not go that far. It only goes through the end of Thursday here, so because it's out of range. So either way, we're going to have, I think, just favoring southern areas today with showers and perhaps thunderstorms, and it's not going to be the entire time. Actually, most times it's not going to be occurring. Mainly just this morning with that shortwave impulse, and then you have another one coming here as this boundary is going to move northward here overnight. And again, that's going to go into early Friday, it looks like, for this. Now, the NAM here is not showing too much activity here on Friday. I'm taking you through the entire day, just the morning stuff, and then you got a few widely scattered things here going on into early afternoon, and then just hit or miss after that. The European model, however, is suggesting a much wetter Friday. So these are fine details that we have to work out, but with that boundary in the vicinity, the whole point here is that you have the opportunity for scattered showers, some mostly cloudy skies over the next couple of days. And I think the better chance of the 2 days to see something is going to be late tonight into Friday for more areas other than just the far south. All right, so that's that. This system is going to be pulling away as high pressure moves in here on Saturday. Still stray shower possible, especially early on Saturday. But then high pressure is going to move in, and it's going to clear us out, and temperatures are going to increase. So the next couple of days, while those were cloud-dominated, it looks like we're going to be stuck kind of like upper 70s to near 80, maybe low 80s in some spots further south. But then once we get to this weekend, temperatures are going to warm back into the middle 80s here on Saturday, and then upper 80s by the time we get to Sunday, with mostly sunny skies expected here on Sunday. Now, in the previous video, we talked about Monday maybe being a thunderstorm day. It doesn't look like it right now. It looks like it's a partly cloudy day across the region, and it's going to be very warm once again. Temperatures upper 80s, maybe even near 90 further south and east. And then we have a prefrontal trough coming in here on Tuesday. This is actually the first of two. Actually, this is the cold front. I'm sorry. Cold front moving toward the region, not a prefrontal trough. But we do have some scattered showers and thunderstorms along that frontal boundary later in the day. I think Tuesday's your best chance for scattered thunderstorms later in the day here. And then Wednesday, we have another chance here, more isolated though, as that front kind of gets hung up a little bit, moving to the south and east, and still an isolated chance for thunderstorms here on Wednesday until this front here finally pushes through the region. It's going to remain hot through the middle of next week. I'm EPAWA meteorologist Bobby Martich. That is your outlook for August 6, 2020. Have a great Thursday.